Good morning, students. I'm your computer teacher, and today we are going to see chapter number 10, that is Introduction to PowerPoint 2016. Okay, so let's start now. Microsoft PowerPoint is a presentation software. It provides the user various tools to build attractive presentation. Okay, so what is PowerPoint? It is a software in which you can make the presentation. Okay, and you can use the tools which are already in the software. What is a presentation now? A presentation is a systematic display of information on a particular topic. It is made up of one or more pages called slides. Each individual slide can contain information in the form of text, graphics, audio, or videos. A presentation or a slideshow is used in schools, offices, and many other places to express ideas and opinions to the audience. PowerPoint 2016 is one of the most popular presentation software. Okay. So, what is a presentation basically? Presentation is a systematic display of information. Okay, whatever information someone is going to provide, to arrange them in a systematic way and attractive way, we use presentation. As we have individual pages in our notebook, in the same way in the presentation also there are various slides. Okay, so in each slide you can include your text, graphics, whatever you want, audio, video. To make the presentation attractive, you can use it. And where is presentation used? Mostly in schools, offices, and many other places. Okay, to show the idea what you have. Okay, and PowerPoint 2016 is the most popular presentation software nowadays. So let us see some features of it now. So now let us see some features of PowerPoint 2016. Okay, what does PowerPoint have? So first one is create visually attractive presentations with text, pictures, and diagrams. Okay, you can create your presentations with text you want, pictures you want to insert, or any diagram. Then edit contents of a slide easily. If you want to edit something in your slide, you can edit it very easily. Then apply various formatting a text in a slide. So any formatting, if you want to insert or anything in the slide, in with the text, if you want to format anything, you can do in the PowerPoint. Then apply themes to enhance appearance of slides. So there are basically many themes which we will see later on. So you can apply various themes also in the slide. As I told you, you can add audio and video files to slide. Then you can add variety of graphics, and like what are the graphics inside the graphics, what all things comes, like if you want to enter some charts, if you want to enter some shapes, if you want to enter tables. Okay, so you can enter in your slide. Then apply animation effect. You know what is animation effect, isn't it? So various animation effect also you can do. Then apply transition effects to slides. Then you can add speaker notes also to your slides, and you can use it during presentation work. Then now last one is rehearse and fine tune the presentation for the slideshow. You can even rehearse before showing the presentation. Now how to start PowerPoint presentation? Okay, so for that you know very well how to start it. So I'll just tell you again. See here, what is the first one? Click the start button on the taskbar. Here it is indicating one, it is the start button. in the on the taskbar, which you have to click first of all. Okay, when you click this one, what will happen? The start menu bar. This is the start menu bar, isn't it? So this is the start menu bar, and this displays. And the second thing is click PowerPoint 2016. You can see here, this is PowerPoint 2016. You have to click on that. Okay, and then you can see PowerPoint opens and the start screen is displayed. See how this PowerPoint is opened up. You can see the diagram, isn't it? So this is how it displays, and it provides various options to create a new document or open an existing presentation. Already, if you have made a presentation, you can open it, or if you want to make a new presentation, you can choose one from here. Okay. Now, as we are having a new presentation, so you can see what is the third point. Click blank presentation or press the escape key. This is the blank presentation. Okay, you have to click here. This is the third step. Okay, what will happen? The PowerPoint 2016 main window opens. Now we will see some components of PowerPoint 2016 main window. Okay, where you will work, what all things are there. You should know each and every component of PowerPoint 2016 window. Okay, so here you can see this is the file tab, this is quick access toolbar, and here is the title bar, this is ribbon, this is the slide panel and status bar, then thumbnail pan. So these all things are there in PowerPoint 2016 main window. Now we will learn this one by one. First one is title bar. What is the title bar? See, this is the title bar. Now we'll see to it. The title bar present at the top of PowerPoint window displays the name of the current presentation. It also contains control button to minimize, maximize and close the PowerPoint window. Okay, here you can see this is the title bar. In this title bar you can see presentation 1 PowerPoint is written over here. See here, presentation 1 PowerPoint is written, and these are minimize, maximize and close button. So this is our title bar. Where it is present? It is present at the top of the PowerPoint 2016 window. Now the next one is quick access toolbar. The quick access toolbar present in the top left corner of the PowerPoint window provides shortcuts for commonly used commands. By default, shortcut for save, undo, redo, repeat and start from beginning commands appear on it. You can customize it to add more commands. Okay, now let us see again. This is our quick access toolbar. Again, this is our quick access toolbar. Where it is located? It is located at the left hand side, topmost left hand side, and by default here you can see save, redo, undo is there, repeat is there, and start from the beginning option is there, which we use most of the time. Okay, so it is quick access toolbar. Now we'll see the ribbon. The ribbon located below the title bar provides various commands for working with presentations. It is divided into various tabs. A tab contains set of commands related to a specific type of task. Each tab is divided into one or more groups of commands related to a particular activity. Okay, so I'll show you where is ribbon. You can see the ribbon. This is the ribbon. Okay, from here to here, these are complete ribbon. This ribbon is of home tab. Okay, this home tab is divided into sub topics. Okay, whatever things are there, you can see. If you want to change, do something with clipboard, you have to come to home tab and then again see the ribbons. Then there are slides, font, paragraph, whatever things you want, it is there in ribbon to make the presentation attractive. Now see here also what is given. These are the tabs like file, home, insert, design, etc. These are the tabs, and these tabs are again divided into some groups. Okay, various tabs present on PowerPoint 16 ribbon are home, insert, design, transitions, animation, slideshow, review, and view. And some tabs are content sensitive. They appear only when a specific task is performed. If you want to perform a specific task, then it will appear automatically. Okay, there are more tabs also. So now let us see what is file tab. See here, the file tab is present below the quick access toolbar. When you click the file tab, it opens the backstage view. It displays information about the current presentation and commands for various file activities such as open, save, and print. It also allows you to change various settings in PowerPoint. Okay, so you can see this is your file tab. I'll show you here only. This is our file tab, isn't it? So when you click on the file tab, what you will see, when you click on file tab, you will see various backstage view is opened up, isn't it? This is the backstage view. This is the backstage view, and in the backstage view you can see open is there, open, save, view, etc. things are there, print up to print. Okay, so if you want to do any settings in PowerPoint, you can do it from file tab. Now let us see what is slide pan. Okay, the slide pan, wait a minute. The slide pan present on the right side of the PowerPoint window displays a slide and all its contents. It is used to work on the contents of an individual slide. So what is slide pan? Slide pan is located on the right side of the PowerPoint window, and it has all its content. Whatever the slide needs, it has all the contents in it, and it is used when you work on a particular slide. For a particular slide, a slide pan is used. Now you can see thumbnails pane. The thumbnails pane present on the left side of the PowerPoint window contains thumbnails of each slide in the presentation. You can click a thumbnail to view the slide in the slide pane. Okay, let me show you again. This is our slide pane, which works for individual slide, which is located in the right side, and this is thumbnail, which is located in the left side of the window. Okay, now we will see what is status bar. This is the status bar. The status bar present at the bottom of the PowerPoint window displays the information related to the current presentation. It also contains the view shortcut toolbar and the zoom slider. Okay, you can see this is the status bar, which is located at the bottom of the PowerPoint window, and it shows, you see here, view shortcut tools, zoom slider, etc. things are there in the status bar. Now we will see PowerPoint views. There are various views in PowerPoint which are important while doing the presentation. So let's start this one. PowerPoint offers several views to create, organize, view, and display a presentation. PowerPoint 2016 has 5 main views: normal view, outline view, slide sorter view, notes page view, and reading view. We will learn these views one by one. So let us start with our normal view first of all. Normal view. Okay, the normal view is the default view where you create and design a presentation. It includes the thumbnail pan, the slide pan, and an optional notes pan at the bottom of the window. Okay, then the thumbnail pane is used to navigate between slides and to rearrange, add, or delete slides from a presentation. The slide pane is used to work on the contents of an individual slide. The notes pane is used to record the speaker notes about the current slide. Okay, so in this normal view, you can do various things, like you can add, you can see here, thumbnail pane is there. This is the notes view, where you can add your notes, speaker notes. This is slide view, how does the slide appears. So these all things you can do with the normal view. Now comes the outline view. Now in the outline view, you can see some things which makes the presentation attractive. Okay, so first of all, the outline view is similar to the normal view, but the thumbnail pane changes to the outline pane. The outline pane displays text on the slides in form of headings and subheadings. Text can be entered directly into a slide or through the outline of the slide. Okay, so this is the outline view, which is almost similar to a normal view, but here the thumbnail pane change. You can see this thumbnail pane is changed, and you can add headings and subheadings to the slide if you want. Okay, now let us see slide sorter view. Which type of slide you want, now you will see in this slide sorter view. See here, this is the slide sorter view. The slide sorter view displays all the slides of a presentation in form of thumbnails. This view lets you rearrange slides, group them in sections, and apply background to the slides. Okay, which type of background you want in your slide. Okay, and if you want to rearrange your slides, if you want to make the first slide to come to the second slide in your step-by-step view, so you can rearrange these things, and even you can change the background of the slides also. Okay, in the slide sorter view. Now it comes to notes page. Okay, as you know, the notes page view enables one to create speaker note that can contain elements other than text, and to add tables, diagrams, or chart to the notes. Okay, so here you can see there is a note view. Here what happens is you can add your voice. Okay, you can add your voice here as notes. Even you can add your charts, diagram, etc. in this note page view. Okay, now we will see reading view. Okay, so let's start the reading view. The reading view previews the slideshow of the presentation without switching to full screen mode. It helps the user to fine-tune the slideshow and view all animations and transition effects. So in reading view, what can you do? You can have a preview, means you can see what slide you have made, and if without going to the full screen mode. Okay, now let us see how to create a new presentation in PowerPoint. Okay, so first step is, see, you can create a new presentation in PowerPoint 2016 from the start screen or the PowerPoint main window. The start screen displays a list of pre-designed templates to create a new presentation. Okay, so already you have various templates which you can use to make a new presentation. Okay, so to create a new blank presentation, click on the blank presentation template. This is the blank presentation template. Now a new presentation, switch one slide for title and subtitle appears in the PowerPoint main window. You can see, click to add title and all these things. So this you can get in the main window, PowerPoint main window. And now to make it, first of all, what is the first step? Click the file tab and then click new. Okay, you will be able to see this screen. Okay, this is how to create a new presentation. Okay, Okay, students, so we'll meet in our next class.